Today we're going to disassemble and reassemble a compact carry comp. Always check your firearm, make sure it's clear. Once again, you move the slide back to the takedown notch. Might take just a little bit to get it lined up right. Push the slide stop out. Carefully remove it. And then slowly and carefully remove the slide. This is all under spring tension, so you have to be careful. Make sure you capture that spring with your fingers. Remove the guide rod and the spring. Carry comp's a little bit different. The spring runs all the way to the end of this plug. So you remove that spring, and remove the plug, and then you just simply pull the barrel out at the end of the slide. To reassemble, you just simply put the barrel back in the slide, put your plug back in, make sure it's all the way seated where it's supposed to be. Put your guide rod and your spring in. Capture this with your fingers because there is a certain amount of spring tension on that guide rod at this point. Make sure you keep that captured. Slide the slide back onto the frame carefully. Make sure your link is lined up. Put your slide stop in. Move the slide back to where your takedown notch is in the correct position. And simply push your slide stop in. Slide down, and this pistol is ready to go.